Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here. Today we are showing you how to use post leads. This is a Google Chrome extension that you can use to automatically comment on Facebook posts in groups. So it's in Facebook group posts. All right, so the first thing we're going to show you how to do is to choose your groups. So this video is on how to select your groups for the automatic commenting on people's posts within the group. So one thing right off the bat, it loads up your groups. As you see here, I have 167, 104 public, 63 private. If you are a member of multiple groups, in practical application, who would use this? It's someone who's selling a service. You know, if you are a contractor, let's say a specialized niche, you're a plumber, and you go down all these homeowner groups, and when people post in there, I'm looking for a plumber in whatever town, boom, you have it automatically comment with your name, your business, your information, and hope that they contact you or send you a message, and then you book business, or you link to book a schedule, or if you are some kind of a consultant, a link, hey, click this link for a free consultation, and then they click on it and schedule with whatever, Calendly or however booking software that you have. So it would work for someone who has a business and runs a business. Maybe you're an attraction and someone says, hey, I'm looking for things to do in XYZ town, and then you have it automatically comment your business, hey, we are a great whatever, amusement park, museum, escape room, this, that, and it automatically posts, click on this link to view our openings or our times or our shows. And so that would work very well in that application. So for me, I'm just going to show you how to use it. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't matter to me. I don't get any commissions for this, whether or not you sign up, nothing. I don't even get paid for these videos. So if you want, and this is valuable to you, feel free to send us a tip or become a member of the Internet Hustler YouTube channel. So here we go. Let's just pretend right now I'm going to go to vacations. I'm going to say, hey, anyone who's a timeshare owner, maybe I have a service on how to get people out of timeshares, or maybe I want to rent to these people who are looking for more vacations. So let's go ahead and select this group. So we're going to select this one. You got different groups, authors, quotes, prayers. Here's a Hilton Head, Spinnaker, timeshare group. So we could click on that one. High ticket appointments, telemarketing. These are all the groups I'm a member of. I'm a member of a ton of groups because different videos that I do, sometimes I do different groups. So right now this is just a hodgepodge. I mean, really, if this was my personal Facebook account, I would go through and I wouldn't be in most of these groups anyway. But here's another timeshare one. Here's a timeshare one. Vacation rental from owner, timeshare. So we'll just select those, and that's good enough for now. So it's like 5 groups, 6 groups, save changes. And there we go. So that is how to select the groups that you are going to have it monitor. Post Leads is going to monitor those groups for posts. So what we're going to do is I'm going to create another video for you on how to configure the monitor settings. Right now we're selecting the groups, then we're going to get into the monitor. So that'll be up here in a card. You can hit that and watch it. One thing I don't like about this, let's say that you said, well, I want to do timeshares, but I also am a member of these Christian groups about God and Jesus. And when people post in here about what's a good Bible verse for money or finance, well, I want to be able to reply automatically with several different scriptures relating to finance or money, or maybe you have a course on biblical finance. Maybe you're like a Dave Ramsey type guy, and you want to promote people to join that thing. So you're going to get into these Christian groups, and then you would post that. Well, you can't. You can't do both. You can only do one. So that would be a critique that I have for post leads. I should be able to set up multiple different triggers. I should say, hey, I have 6 of these timeshare groups. That goes in my timeshare category. All right, then I have these Jesus groups or these Christian groups. I want that in my finance course money because I want to teach them biblical finance or whatever service you're marketing. And then I have these books people. These are indie authors. Where are they here? Readers and authors. What if I'm a publisher and I want to promote my service? Say, hey, I will help you get published, and I want to do that as well. Well, you can't. You can only do one of those options. So if you are a plumber and you are an electrician and you want to post in the homeowner groups, you have to choose one. You can't do both. So that's a critique that I have. It would be really nice if you could do both of these different services. So hit that subscribe button, bell icon, and like button. Stay tuned to future videos on the Internet Hustler YouTube channel. We got a lot of them coming at you. And remember to follow this playlist because we're going to go through the rest of these post leads settings. Until next time.